Hello everyone. So welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials Meghalaya's first Mtet channel. So my dear friends, today I am going to read out to you the handbook of Mtet. Alright. So whatever is given in this handbook is for the Mtet exam 2025. Alright. So whatever the information we have here is for the Mtet exam 2025. Let us see what we have. So this is the notification which you have already seen, right? That our Mtet exam will be conducted on the 25th of April 2025, right? So let us go on and see what we have next. All right, here we can see that opening of online application. So you will be able to fill up your online application form from the 7th of February 2025 at 1 p.m. all right, in the afternoon. All right, you will be able to fill up your form on the 7th of February. So regarding the filling up of the online application form, I already told you, like those who want Ashok tutorials to help you in filling up your online Mtet application form, then you can inform us. All right, we will help you to fill up the form. You can just sit at home and relax. You don't need to go to cyber because cyber will be crowded, right? So we will be filling up the form on your behalf. And of course, as I told you before, so that it is not going to be free, you have to pay the cyber fee or the cyber charge, right? So those who need our help, you can let me know on the 6th of February so that by 7th we are ready to go, right? Because there will be a lot of application, there will be a lot of individuals. The cyber will be overburdened because a lot of individuals are going to take part in filling up this. So the next second thing here is that closing of online application. You have to fill up your application by the 24th of February at 5 p.m. in the evening. This is the last chance you will get to fill up your application. So be very cautious, be very careful while filling up your applications. All right. And when will you have the exam? That is the most important thing we gotta know, right? What is that? So when will be your exam? Your exam will be on the 25th of April 2025. All right, this is very important. So pingrang chan chen simang ma singa ngamai ko thala tinga tau gata na sungni application day sni tariko February open onge ne tau gata na simang jirangan apply khana me chum Mtet exam na cyber rang chi yang gata na jawa degi mang na song saugarang de internet tongja pano bader yang na gata chetla mo warang na chunga dakcha taken cybero dakcha gata chunga na somang na simang ni form ko fill up khat ken ndi oba form ko fill up khani free de ongna manjawa ne degi cyber fee ko na simang gamna gata nangen ndi oba na song noko aram se dongai bo noko dongi mang je document ba je mai ba ko na warang wa biya taigen chunga biya taigen degi mang na simang ko pata taibo aro aram se noko asonge dongari na songi examination form ko de fill up khat taigen chunga ne na suni skasa after all ndi oba dakchani ko nanga o de simang dok tarik ko dok February o viat phabo ne deki ma chanchen simang ya angni thalat ko pa ma singa daw gata Mtet online application form de 7 February bas ni tariko available ongen closing de kolgrip brion close ongono deki ma ro exam de anching exam Mtet exam de kolgrip ponga April 2025 ongs khagen ne ni gimen somoi dongja han simang namme khangare kai prepare khanagata abaching boha mo. Well, so now let us see a handbook on Meghalaya teachers eligibility test for elementary school teachers. So let us see what we have. All right, content. So what will you find in this book? You will find the introduction, you will find the Meghalaya teachers eligibility test for elementary school teachers, what is the eligibility? This is the main question you all ask me, right? So am I eligible or not? I am eligible or not? Sir, I am from NIOS, can I apply or not? Sir, I got this much in graduation, can I apply or not? So all these doubts will be cleared once you finish watching this video. Then age limit is also a problem for many of my teachers, I can see, right? So your doubt will also be cleared. Then medium of examination, then structure and content areas of Mtet, nature and standard of questions, qualifying marks, duration also, then center, where the center will be. Duration means here like exam will be for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, that one we will come to know. Then center, then mode of exam, it is online or offline. Then what are the notes given to the candidates? Notes of to the candidate does not mean your note, it means the notice, right? Examination fees, how much we have to pay, that also we will come to know. When we will get our admit card, when we will get our result, any certification, error in the certificate, validity, expulsion of candidates, sample of OMR sheet. So all these things we will discuss in this video. Of course, the important ones only we will discuss. So these things I am not going to read, you please read it for yourself, right? These things you please read it. So yes, this eligibility is important, right? So who is eligible to apply for Mtet? Those who have done their higher secondary with at least 50% marks and have diploma in elementary, like have DLED, they can apply for this exam, right? Or those who have passed the higher secondary with 45% of marks and have diploma, then or DLED, they can also apply. Then those who have passed higher secondary with BLED, they can also apply. Those who have passed higher secondary with at least 50% marks and have diploma in elementary education or special education, they can also apply. Then those individuals who have graduation and have diploma in elementary education, they can also apply. A person who is pursuing any of the teacher education courses recognized by the NCTE or the RCI, as the case may be, specified in the NCTE notification dated 23rd August 2010. So, any person who is pursuing or doing your any course which is recognized by NCTE, you are also eligible to apply for the Mtet exam. Graduation and 2-year diploma in elementary education, they are also eligible, right? Now, at least 50% marks either in graduation or in post-graduation's bachelor in education. So with 50% marks in your graduation or PG and your B.Ed, right, they can also apply. Graduation with at least 45% and 1 year bachelor in education. So suppose if you are a graduate, you score 45% in your graduation and you have 1 year of B.Ed, then also you can apply. Then teachers with higher secondary and 4 years bachelor in BLEd, you can also apply. Then teachers with higher secondary with at least 50 marks and 4-year BA, BSc Ed or BA Ed or BSc Ed can also apply. Graduation with at least 50 marks and 1 year B.Ed can also apply. A person who is pursuing any of the teacher education course recognized by the NCTE or specified in the NCTE notification dated 2010, provided that minimum percentage in graduation shall not be applicable to those incumbents who had already taken in to the bachelor's of education or bachelor's of elementary education or equivalent course prior to 2011. Then you see relaxation here. Relaxation up to 5% in qualifying marks in the minimum educational qualification for eligibility shall be allowed to the candidates belonging to reserved categories such as SC, ST, OBC, OST, OSC and persons with disability. So relaxation of 5% is there. Only diploma or degree course in teacher education recognized by NCTE only shall be considered. However, in case D.Ed special and B.Ed special, a course recognized by RCI only shall be considered. Before applying, a candidate have to ensure his or her eligibility to apply and appear. Now, age limit. There shall be no age limit for candidate applying and appearing for Mtet. See now here, it is clearly written that there shall be no age limit for candidates applying and appearing for Mtet. So according to this, you understand that there is no age limit. Anybody can apply for the Mtet. Medium of examination. The medium of examination shall be English except for language papers. So you know that in Meghalaya, we use English, right? So question paper will be in English, except your Mizo language will be in Mizo, Bengali will be in Bengali, Khasi will be in Khasi, Garo will be in Garo, right? Structured and content areas of syllabus of Mtet. So you see this. I'll just scroll it down because so many things I don't want to read up all. Just see. This is the marks allotment. So some of you are not even sure how many subjects are there in paper 1, how many subjects in paper 2. So in paper 1, you have got 5 subjects. So that is CDP, English, Khasi or Garo or SMS, Maths and EVS. And all the subjects will be for 30 marks. So altogether, how much marks you'll get? You'll get 150 marks, all right? From 150, how much you have to get to pass? We will see that one later on. Now, for UP, you have how many subjects? GP, then English, then Khasi or Garo, and then for those who are taking maths, for you it is maths and science, and for those who are taking social science, for you it is only social science. So those who take maths and science, for you there are 5 subjects. One is CDP, another one is English, another one is Garo, and maths and science, 5 subjects. But those who are taking social science, for you there are only how many subjects? Only 4 subjects. There is CDP, English, Khasi, and social science, right? Now see, you can see this, all right? So you read for yourself. These are the content. This part is very important. Very important. Why it is very important? Qualifying marks. So let us see. The pass percentage for Mtet is 60% with a relaxation of 15% for SC, ST, OBC, OST, OSC of Meghalaya and PWD candidates. That is, the qualifying mark is 90 out of 150 for general candidates, and 68 marks are 150 for SC, ST, OBC of Meghalaya and PWD students. Now you see, before that, let me read this note. Qualifying the Mtet would not confer a right on any candidate or recruitment or employment, as it's only one of the eligibility criteria for appointment. Now you see, my dear friends, a very good news you can see here. What is that good news? The good news is that we are the people of Meghalaya, right? We are SC, we are ST. So those candidates who belong to SC or ST or OBC or OST or OSC candidates, you have to score only 68 marks, which means total is 150. Total is 150. From 150, you just have to get 68 marks, which means definitely you will pass your Mtet exam this time, right? Believe me, trust me, mark my words, you will definitely pass the exam. Why am I saying this? Because before this Mtet exam, which means in 2019, 21, 23, the qualifying marks, it was like we have to score more than 68. But now here we have to score only 68. So it is very easy, right? You can score that. Rpengrang anga chanchia daudi ya changbi kama kan pass kai gen ne Mtet ko maina no ba marks te plongen khomia ha skang ode chet gni ba so chet gatham takin ke ha di batao de so tok chet sanjo so tok chet ko de jiba mat nai gen rukchasa sotpongawni rukchasa sotpongani sotok chet makmang ko manjaw man simang manai gen ba mo anthang thang ko khadongbo ashok tutorial khadongbo na simang pass ong thel lai gen anga beber an simang gama kan pass ka gen ya changde question by easy ongen un baksana marks pana song 68 kosan nangai gen ne uni gaban namme prepare ka bor pengrang ne ya changde pass ong thel bo. Now duration of the examination. So the exam will be for 2 hours and 30 minutes. What does it mean? It means that you have 5 subjects, right? And you have how many minutes? You have 2 hours and 30 minutes, which means you can give 30 minutes to one subject, 30 minutes to one subject, 30 minutes to one subject, 30 minutes to another subject, and 30 minutes to another subject. So one subject you have to finish in 30 minutes. All right. The reporting time will be 8 a.m. In the morning, you have to go to the examination centers. Then for LP, the timing is from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. You will be writing your lower primary exam paper 1. And those candidates who are writing UP, you will start your exam at 2 p.m. and finish it by 4:30 p.m. Right? Remember this. Now, center. The Mtet will be conducted Subdivisional School Education Office Y. So you know that where your Mtet exam will be. Mode of application. So how can you apply for the exam? So you can apply for the exam in online mode, right? Then note to the candidate, these notes you read by yourself, right? Then you need to give your photograph, your signature. Then now let's talk about the fees. What is the fee? So paper 1, lower primary. So for paper 1, general candidate have to pay 800 and SC, ST, OBC, OST, OSC will have to pay 400. For paper 2, general have to pay 800, SC, ST, OBC, OST, OSC has to pay 400. For both the papers, general candidate have to pay 1600 and reserve categories candidates have to pay only 800. So don't think about your 800. It's not a big deal. Just pay that 800 and you will earn 80,000 later on. So why not to pay this 800, right? So just pay this application fee 800 and you apply for the Mtet exam, right? This is the fees the government will take from you. This 800 you have to pay to the government, right? And remember, PWD candidates are exempted, which means you don't have to pay any fee. It is free for you, right? Now admit card. See admit cards and all. So admit card is said that it will be available 5 days before the date of examination. Those things you read by yourself, right? Then answer keys will be there, final answer key will be there, all these things. Then certification, then error in the certificates, validity, expulsion, if anybody misusing anything. Then now you see this is how our OMR sheet looks like. So those students who do not have any idea about OMR sheet, so have a look on this. This is how your OMR sheet will look like. You have to read all these instructions nicely. All these instructions you read nicely. And after this, what we will do, we will go to the syllabus. So what is the syllabus? 99% of you asking me about the syllabus. So you have a look. I will just browse through. You just have a look on the syllabus. This is child development and pedagogy syllabus. You take the screenshot or you take the screenshot and you can write it down, right? So this is the syllabus. Slowly I am moving. This is English syllabus. All right. Then we have mathematics syllabus. This is mathematics. Then we have environmental studies. This is the syllabus. Then we have Khasi. This is the syllabus of Khasi. Then we have Garo. This is the syllabus of Garo. Then we have Hindi. So this is Hindi syllabus. Assamese. Then we have Bengali. Then we have Nepali. Now we have paper 2, UP. You can see the syllabus. So this is the syllabus for UP, CDP, Child Development and Pedagogy syllabus. Then you see English. Then you see maths, science, social science, then we have Khasi, then we have Garo, Bengali, Nepali, Urdu, Mizo. All right, so these are the things I wanted to share with you, right? So thank you everyone for staying connected with Ashok Tutorials, Meghalaya's first Mtet channel. Thank you.